In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a dumbbell calf stretch. So all you need to do is have a dumbbell in front of you and you're going to put just below your forefoot onto the middle of the dumbbell. So just below my forefoot is just here, and that is the point which is going to be in contact with this dumbbell. Now from here, I can start to feel a stretch because my ankle is pointed up, my calf starts to lengthen, and I start to feel a very gentle stretch. There's one of two things I can do in this position. I could lean forwards to intensify the stretch, or I could change the position of my left leg, the left leg's not doing anything in this example, and bring it forwards. And in that example, I then come into more extreme dorsiflexion and change my center of gravity to allow for a deeper stretch. So let's cover that again. We put just below the forefoot onto the dumbbell, the middle of the dumbbell specifically. If I then want to go into the deepest stretch, I put my foot that's not doing the stretch and my calf that's not doing the stretch into a position where it's in front of the stretched leg. That's how to do a dumbbell calf stretch. You would repeat that for your desired seconds and sets.